Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that's not supposed to come out for at least a month now. I was able to get my hands on a pair early, so I had to bring it to the channel. We're talking about the Air Jordan 4 University Blue, aka the UNC 4s. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And don't forget about the merch, man. Just head over to the website, P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go, Air Jordan 4 University Blue, aka UNC 4s. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see, this whole shoe is pretty much the color University Blue, which is the UNC blue. To be honest with you, it looks the same exact color as the jersey that the college teams wear at the University of North Carolina. So let's start right here on the toe box. We have a UNC blue toe box right here, suede. On the outside of the toe box, you have more of the UNC blue suede. Come right here to the tongue, you have a UNC blue gate with the mesh background. Of course, you gotta have the UNC blue shoestrings. On the top of the tongue, you have a UNC suede, and then you have a white tag with the gray Jumpman. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you have the black flight on the bottom. You have the Team 23 there, if you guys can check that out on the tongue. Slide over here. You have a black eyelet right here. And then you have another blue UNC blue gate. Then you have a black eyelet right here with the cement gray right here with the black speckles. You have more of the cement gray right here on the midsole. Right here with the black speckles. You have black of the sole right here. Then you have more of that cement gray. You have a white airbag with the white background. Slide over here to the back. You have a cement gray pull tag with the black Jumpman with the black speckles. You come over here, you have the cement gray with the black speckles. Another black eyelet. Another UNC gate. Another black eyelet right here. And then you have more of the cement gray coming all the way around back here. And then you have another white on the other side of the airbag, which is white. You have more of the black here. Come over here to the bottom of the shoe. You have gray on the top, UNC blue here, black part of the sole right here. Then you have white background with the UNC Jumpman. Then you have gray on the bottom, man. One thing I can say about this shoe, man, this shoe looks really clean, man, and pristine, man. Like, it looks like they took their time with making this shoe, man, and it makes a lot of sense. I don't know if it looks exactly like the UNC ones that the college team had got. The university, like, they got a lot of, player exclusives, Jordan 4s. I don't know if it looks exactly like that, but I like this shoe, man. Like, this is a good shoe. If you live in North Carolina, you should be trying to get your hands on the shoe when this shoe drops. This is clean, man. This is clean. The shoe did not come with a different color shoestrings, man. I don't know if you could throw white in there or maybe gray shoestrings to make it pop a little bit more, but these are clean, man. Let me know what you guys think. Please let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments below. I'll definitely get back at you guys, man. The suede is good quality suede. I wouldn't say that it's the same exact suede as the Travis Scott 4 suede, but it's close. It's really good, man. I really like the suede on here, and I'm sure these are gonna look good on foot. Summertime coming, spring. Just overall clean shoe, man. I like it. I like what Jordan Brand's doing here with this, man. They're doing a great job. They just released the Georgetown 3s yesterday, and these are coming out in April, so that's a good look. So yeah, man. But let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I gotta keep it all the way true with y'all, man. I love the color. I love the silhouette. And I love what Jordan Brand's doing. So you know what I'm gonna have to give these, man. These is getting 4.5 out of 5 pennies. Let me know what you guys think. If you disagree, let me know. I'm gonna get right back at you guys and let you guys know. You can talk in the comments however y'all want to do it. But these are clean, man. I like them, man. 4.5 out of 5 pennies. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.